I'm not gonna let you go. Baby, now do me basa basa, baby, don't leave me, no.
I go there, body like skin tight. Say you go there by my side. Till the end of time, we go there tight. Yeah, say you go there with me.
Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here, and I'm back with another crochet hair wig video. And pretty much this is my first time actually using hair and not like anything braided or in full locks, and it was a pretty easy process. So I'm using Trendy Tresses hair, and I pretty much cut this wig, but I just realized that I'm not the best hair cutter, so bear with me. I feel like one side is kind of like cut more than the other, but maybe it's because it is drying right now that it looks like this. I could like fix it. I really wanted to try that shaped hair, and I really like how it looks with my face. I'm gonna just show you guys how I do this quick little wig, and how I like cut it. You guys could watch me like attempt to cut and style it. Please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's very cold where I'm at right now, so I'm wearing my little onesie, and we're gonna be using again a crochet wig cap, and it's from Model. The hair we're using is from Trendy Tresses, and it is the Free Spirited curls and the color 1B. I received about 5 packs, and I'm gonna just be using 3 packs. We have to separate it ourselves, so you're just gonna have to kind of just separate it, and the more you separate it, you can see like little strands and stuff, and we're just gonna keep separating it until we're happy. So starting with the back first, what I'm doing is I'm putting the hook right here like this. I'm taking the hair, putting it through the loop, closing it, pulling it once, pulling it in there a second time, and pulling it in there a third time. And after I do this, I pull it just so that it doesn't come off and stuff. And I'm gonna do this very spaced out in the back because the hair is gonna puff up and get bigger, so the one on the top is gonna cover the one at the bottom. So I'm doing this again, pulling it one more time, and pulling it another time, like so. So it's kind of like this, and yeah. So now I'm reaching the top part, and I'm just gonna pretty much do the same thing over. I think I'm gonna cut bangs on this. I am not sure yet. Probably gonna decide after I put it on and see. And for the side right here, I'm just gonna go through the band and just loop just so that, you know, if the wind blows or something, they don't see it. Okay. Pretty much this is what it looks like. Ugh, okay, so this is what it looked like, and so far out of all the 3 packs I've used, this is the amount of hair that kind of got messed up, and that's pretty much it. But it's not that much, it's just a little bit. And this is the hair. I don't know if you guys could see it well, but I'm moving this back. And this is it, and this is the front of the face, where I'm definitely gonna cut some bangs. It's very full, very big, and it's kind of long too, so we'll see it on my head. When I'm done, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I style it in the morning and how I cut it and stuff. So yeah, I just finished my makeup and I have my wig cap on, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I am gonna be cutting and styling this crochet wig that I made last night. And yeah, so I already have my cap on under this. Show you guys the wig. So it is like really big and crazy. Since last night, you know, I haven't like I haven't put any products. All I'm going to be using on this is mousse and water to define the curls better. But this is a whole lot of hair, and this is only 3 packs. And since I did say I want to cut in some bangs into this, I'm going to show you guys how I do that and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the T-pins, and I'm going to apply the wig. And again, I ordered a different mannequin head, so I'm pretty sure in the next hair tutorial I'm gonna do or wig, you guys will not be seeing this busted one. So again, the cap has 3 combs, so I'm just gonna go and apply that on my head, and I'll be right back. This is a lot of hair. Like, as much as I like volume and stuff, like when I first, like, I feel like the Grudge right now. Like, you guys see this? I feel like the freaking Grudge because I can't even see in front of me. And yeah, so I'm gonna start cutting the hair. And I'm gonna push these to the back, and I'm gonna try to cut the same length. And my mirror is right here, so and I'm gonna start right here. Okay, so looking into this, and I'm gonna start cutting, and I'm gonna cut like right here. So taking my scissors, I'm just cutting. After I finish cutting this like this, I'm gonna take like little strands on the sides, and I'm gonna make them kind of longer than the bangs that I cut. So if I put it like the bangs are past the bridge of my nose, I'm gonna go like by, you know, my nostril, like. So let's do this right here. This is so crazy. And if you feel like it's too long or something, just go back in and keep cutting until you like it or something. But this is just my preference, and I feel like this is kind of big, so I'm gonna start now with the bottom, and I'm gonna move it forward, and I'm gonna just pull. It doesn't have to be like equal or anything, so just keep cutting until you feel like and make sure you don't cut yourself, because this hair is just a whole lot of crazy. My mirror is like right up there, so if I'm looking up like this, it's just that that's where it is, and I look crazy, but and pretty much I'm gonna be cutting until I feel like it's the way I want it. So let's just do that, and I'm just gonna try to cut it into like this shape like this. Okay, and then once I'm done with that, because it's a little difficult for me to look in the mirror and do that, but pretty much you just want to cut like this, like in this angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix all the cutting up. As you guys can see how I'm cutting it, it's just crazy and big. And I'll be right back to show you guys the final look and how I like do the moves and stuff. So yeah. You know, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull it like this just to work the water in. And after I finish working the water in, I'm gonna take some mousse. Okay, right here you see some mousse. I just realized that this part right here needs more cutting, so I'm probably gonna go back and fix it after. But I'm taking some mousse and I'm just gonna I'm taking more mousse. I'm not the best at cutting hair, but I really like how this turned out. Can you guys see it? And I'm just always gonna like push it in because it's still wet so that it could get the shape that I wanted to get. But this is the look. I absolutely love how this turned out. I should probably try and learn how to cut hair better, but this is exactly how I wanted it to kind of look. You know, I have little strings that could be like I have little strands of hair that could be like cut and you know, get fixed better. Probably gonna do this after, but I'm in a rush right now. I really like how big and bouncy this hair is. It's still soft, it's still like you could see the curl, and it's very like, you know, puffy defined, which is what I was going for. But yeah, this is really cute and it's easy, and it's a wig. You can take it off whenever you want, go to sleep, put it back on, and it'll be fine. So yeah, I hope you guys really like this look. And I'm gonna leave the link on where you could buy this hair from. And to make the wig was under 30 minutes. Like, it was really quick. So yeah, am I missing anything? Yeah, so all you need is some mousse and some water, and you know, cut it however you want, but this is what I was going for and I like it. So